Hi guys, this morning I'm going to help you with your worksheet. We are going to practice writing sentences with linking verbs and sentences with action verbs. So on your worksheet you have 5 pictures and you have to write 2 sentences about each picture. You have to have one sentence that uses a linking verb and one that uses an action verb. So I'm going to show you an example. I would write this down if this seems hard for you. I know that my class we've done this before, so you may remember this and this may be easy for you. But if this is difficult for you or if you don't think you'll remember these steps, go ahead and write this down. So let's start with the linking verbs first. I included a list on the worksheet, and here's another list of words. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just look at these linking verbs and get a feel for what I might be able to use. Then I'm going to look at my picture. So for me, it's this picture of this family, and they're sitting there. So the first thing I want you to ask yourself, who is your subject going to be? I'm going to say the family. So question 1, subject. Family. So I know that with the linking verb, it is going to connect my subject to a description of them in the predicate. It can either be a noun or an adjective. The easiest one to use is probably an adjective. So if I want to use an adjective, all I have to do is say, what describes this family? They're happy. Yeah, I'll go with happy. So I just need to look for one of my verbs, and I'm going, hold on. How can I describe my subject? Happy. All right, so now I'm going to write my sentence. The family, I'm going to use seems very happy together. And then you could really make it a good sentence by adding like a prepositional phrase. So I know that family is at an ice cream shop. The family seems very happy together at the ice cream. Alright, then to check and see if that works, I've got my subject, I've got an adjective, the happy family, and my verb, I can substitute it for the family is very happy together, and that makes sense. So that is how you compose a sentence using a linking verb. The easiest, look for your subject, the family. How can I describe my subject? They're happy. They are excited. They are joyful. Then you are going to look for one of these. And I could have said the family feels very happy. I could have said, if I wanted to change it up, if my subject is eating something, I could say maybe they had ice cream in their hand. I could say the ice cream tastes yummy. Or maybe they heard something and I could say the waves at the beach sound calming. So making sentences with linking verbs are very easy. Next, we are going to make an action verb sentence based on that picture. So, with an action verb sentence, I'm actually going to erase this. My questions are a little different, so same. Who is the subject? I'm going to say the dog this time. And what is he doing? Well, the dog is sitting in this picture. So, I'm going to start my sentence. I'm going to make it a complex sentence. So, while the dog was sitting, comma, he swallowed a fly. So those are all action verbs that I use because I cannot substitute it. Number one, this is a helping verb that helps sitting, and then swallowed is a past tense verb that shows he is doing something. He is swallowing the fly. So it's pretty easy if you follow those steps. If you have questions, please reach out to me. You can email me or text me on Remind. All right, guys. Have a good day.